Puzzle Kids. Today we are guess the animal sounds. Round 1. Easy. Which animal is this? A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Goat. D. Donkey. Comment down the answer. Guess the sound? Option A. Rabbit. Option B. Fox. Option C. Cat. Option D. Duck. Comment down the answer. Listen carefully. Option A. Buffalo. Option B. Cow. Option C. Goat. Option D. Donkey. Comment down the answer. Guess the sound? Option A. Horse. Option B. Donkey. Option C. Zebra. Option D. Goat. Comment down the answer. Option A. Tiger. Option B. Lion. Option C. Leopard. Option D. Buffalo. Comment down the answer. Round 2. Medium. Can you guess? Option A. Pigeon. Option B. Owl. Option C. Crow. Option C. Parrot. Comment down the answer. Guess the sound. Option A. Goat. Option B. Sheep. Option C. Deer. Option D. Fox. Comment down. Listen carefully. Option A. Eagle. Option B. Parrot. Option C. Owl. Option D. Peacock. Comment down. Guess the sound? Option A. Goose. Option B. Duck. Option C. Hen. Option D. Cat. Comment down. Listen carefully. Option A. Monkey. Option B. Squirrel. Option C. Cat. Option D. Hen. Comment down. Round 3. Card. Which animal is this? Option A. Frog. Option B. Duck. Option C. Goose. Option D. Crow. Comment down. Listen carefully. Option A. Lizard. Option B. Snake. Option C. Crocodile. Option D. Monkey. Comment down the answer. Listen carefully. Option A. Dog. Option B. Hyena. Option C. Fox. Option D. Monkey. Comment down the answer. Next one. Option A. Bear. Option B. Koala. Option C. Monkey. Option D. Dog. Comment down the answer. Comment down how many correct answers you got. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Please subscribe.